is basically a database? Let's understand it with some. So we have already talked about database, that I'm storing my information somewhere is basically called as database. But let's, from today onwards, let's deep dive into the data and let's understand the various terminologies that are very important when you are talking about database or when you are speaking like an experienced professional. Okay. A database is nothing but it's an organized collection of interrelated data. Okay. So this is what you need to say. It is an organized collection. Why organized collection? Because definitely I'm giving that data a structure. So for that reason, it is organized. And interrelated data. Interrelated data. What is interrelated data? So as I mentioned that since I'm organizing, so all the employee information will go into my employee table. Suppose say employee ID, employee name. Similarly, I have another table called as the salary table where I have employee ID and the salary. So now I have employee ID like 101, 102. Similarly, 101, 1000. So now if I ask you what is Nitesh's salary, you can easily say that it is 2000. How? Because you have created a relationship between the tables. How you are able to create the relationship? Because you found that there is a matching point between these two tables. Okay. So this is why it is called as interrelated data. Because now the data is organized in multiple tables, and we try to maintain the tables in such a way that we are able to create a relation. So there is a concept of primary key, foreign key, sort of things are there, which we will learn later. But this is what is called as interrelated data. So a database is nothing but an organized collection of interrelated data. Understood? Awesome. So types of databases, we have already talked. Types of databases. So the concept of OLTP and OL. If you have not checked the videos, please go and check the videos. You will understand the concept very well. Okay. Now let's understand what are the different operations that we do on a database. This is a very important question. Okay, make a note of it. These operations, what are called operations on DBs. These questions are asked during interview. You just cannot say a very generalized answer. It needs the data terminologies. So the operation is called as CRUD. CRUD operation. CRUD means read. R means read. U means update. D means read. Now let's understand with a very, very easy example. You are going to your Instagram. Okay, so Instagram for you will be an application wherein you are going to post a lot of things. Maybe it's an entertainment application for you. However, if you now check from a data perspective, the importance of Instagram is to collect the user data. And when Instagram collects user data, that means Instagram is getting a lot of scope to work on your data and to generate more business. Why more business? Suppose you have got 1 million followers. So that means Instagram has collected the information that so many people are following you. Who are the people that are following you? Now, if they have any more business idea, maybe there is one advertisement that they need to show. So they will directly target your profile and they would be able to reach to 1 million people within seconds. That's the importance of data. That's the way a business can grow very fast. So when you download Instagram, suppose you are downloading a database. The first thing that you do is you create a login page. So the first operation that is done is that you create after installation of the software. So create your login means you create your own space where you can publish things. Right? It is not that you're going to Instagram and you're publishing it nowhere. You are publishing it at your own space, which is secure. So when you sign up, you are basically creating your own table. inside the database, which will store your information. Okay. Now, as soon as you create your account, what you do, you start reading your images, videos, everything. Right? You start reading the information. That means you see this should be my profile photo. This is what I want to type in my bio, all those kind of things. That means you are reading informations from your device. Okay. So once that is done, you start updating the informations as well. So updating means you are either posting it, okay, any modifications that you are doing on the table is called as update. Okay. So either you are posting new informations or you are maybe this DP are not liking it, I'll change it. Or today I posted this story, tomorrow I'm posting another story. Today, okay, this story I'm not liking it, I'll delete it and I'll update it. And delete, I don't have to say what is delete. So delete means if something you want to remove it from your profile, it is called as a delete. Okay. So similarly in databases also, these are the things that we do. We create database, we create logins, we create tables, we create views, so many create things are there, right? So these are all create jobs that we do. Then reading the information. So obviously when my tables are there, my data should be started feeding into my tables. I can update it time and again. I can delete it also, whatever I want to delete. So if someone asks you this question, what are the different operations on database that we do? You need to directly say, these are, we do CRUD operations, not any other thing. If you give any other answer, your recruiter won't be happy. This is how an experienced developer should answer to the questions. Understood?